Tired of fumbling through your wallet at checkout? Let's ditch the clutter and add your American Express card to Apple Wallet for super quick and easy payments. First, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone. It looks like a white card with colorful squares. It's typically on your home screen. Tap to open it. Once you're in the Wallet app, look for the plus sign, usually located in the top right corner. Tap that plus sign. This will start the process of adding a new card. You'll see a screen asking what type of card do you want to add. Choose debit or credit card. This will bring you to the card scanning screen. Now, you have two options. You can either use your iPhone's camera to scan your American Express card, or you can enter the card details manually. If you choose to scan, position your card within the frame on the screen and let your iPhone automatically capture the details. Make sure the lighting is go. If you prefer to enter the details manually, tap Enter Card Details manually at the bottom of the screen. If you opted to enter manually, carefully type in your American Express card number, expiration date, security code, and your name as it appears on the card. Double-check everything to avoid errors. After entering your card details, your bank or American Express may require additional verification. This could involve receiving a text message, email, or phone call with a verification code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, your American Express card is now successfully added to your Apple Wallet. You're all set to make contactless payments at stores and online wherever you see the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbols. Enjoy the convenience and security of using your American Express card with Apple Pay. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks.